California. It's just a Trevor. We get them all the time. Nothing to worry about, okay? I promise. Uh-oh. Hold on, everyone. This could be the big one. Oh, no. The sky is falling. Watch out, car 3. Oh, no. The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire. You know what, guys? I think it's gonna get pretty electrical in here in a minute.
Pare, no? Tayo ni Fabio.
Oh no, a subway train.
Subway train.
Oh, that's right, it's an LA subway train. You know what, I think we're gonna be okay as long as the water meets the wing. Oh no! Alright, I totally got you. How many of you legitimately believe that that was a hot tub? Like 2 of you out of 170? Yeah, I think I earned myself a high five for being so convincing. But guys, that was Earthquake, the big one. That was a simulated 8.3, and you survived. Winners in life. And hopefully, winners in love. But here's how we really use those earthquake sets on the TV show Phones, starring David Boreanaz and Emily Deschanel.
What's going on?
Let's get out of here! The water main just broke!
Ayan, o. Nangyari.
As you guys can see, we pumped up the water pressure quite a bit when they were shooting Phones, but you will not find a drop of water here in dusty old Six Points, Texas. It's a dusty old cowboy town, and a lot of famous cowboys are moseying down these streets. I'm talking Audie Murphy, Jimmy Stewart, the Duke himself, Mr. John Wayne, and Kirk Douglas. And do you know what all these cowboys and westerns have in common, guys? Well, I'm going to tell you, it's a good old-fashioned western duel.
Ayan. May magbabarilan yan.
Bargas.
Kunyari magbabarilan.
Dito nga nagkukunin yan eh. Pelikula eh.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Nice folks in this tram don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 points, one of the